Hello, this is Catherine. Welcome back to Double O Kidney Kitchen. Today we'll make a burrito. I've made this recipe with the needs of kidney patients in mind, but it's suitable for any healthy eating plan because it's full of healthy veggies and it's very low in sodium with balanced nutritional values. This burrito is an ideal recipe for anyone. All these vegetables are full of healthy phytonutrients and essential minerals and vitamins. And it's also very tasty. The recipe is for 4 servings. I've made my own tortillas at home. It's much healthier and it's easy to prepare it. To make them, use all-purpose flour, also called white flour. Mix it with lukewarm water, no cold water. Don't add anything else. Use a pan, no oil, and leave it on high heat for a minute. It should be super hot. Cook 2 minutes per side. Done! In a plate, beat the egg. I'm using a whole egg, but if you are concerned about your cholesterol, use just a white of the 2 eggs and discard the yolk. Peel the cucumber. Peel the carrot. Now we're gonna make the zucchini, the carrot, and the cucumber into bits. And then we will cut the pepper by removing the white parts and all the seeds. And we cut it. We cut the onions into bits. Cut the chicken breast into bits and set aside. Now we're gonna take the pieces of chicken breast and dip them first in the egg and then in the breadcrumbs. In a pan, pour a little bit of oil and spread it all over the pan. When the oil is warm, add the chicken and let it cook. When done, put it in a plate and set it aside. In another pan, pour a little bit of oil and spread it. When it's warm, put the sliced onions and let them brown a little bit. Then add the carrot and zucchini. Add the pepper. Pour some water to soften and mix a little. When the water is absorbed, turn off the stove. In the middle of the burrito, put the vegetables and chicken. And we're gonna fold over it. Our recipe is done. Enjoy your meal. The ingredients. We need 1 red bell pepper, chili pepper, spring onions, 1 carrot, breadcrumbs, 1 zucchini and 1 cucumber, 150 grams of chicken breast, wheat tortillas, 1½ tablespoon of olive oil, 1 egg with or without the yolk.